I'm Raymond Zimmerman here at Zimmerman Manufacturing, and I'm going to do a quick rundown on the setup on this here ZML 3-point bar that we have here. I'm going to do the setup and maintenance kind of to get you going to kind of the basis of getting started with one of these here units. So to start off here, I'm going to cover setup on the row unit and like depth that you want to be running to get your best coverage and the way this unit works best. So like here we have this one blocked up to kind of show that this here unit can come up and the others can go down. Like if you hit something, this here whole unit can jump out of the ground while them stay in. And that system is hooked up directly to your tractor. It is like a closed system, but you can add more oil to that cylinder on the fly if you need to. But your desired length is that cylinder is to stick out 2 inches is what you want to run for on that there. And then also your depth, your ground running depth, you want to be running right here with your ground level. So that's about 6 to 7 inches of running there. And your ground level, your shank is running always about 1.5 inches above the bottom of your coulter with that there. And these here closing arms are individual. Closing arms, we do have a spring system that can go onto here to put down pressure on that there. If you want to know more about that, you can call in. So that's kind of that there part of it. It does swivel as well. It's got 30 degrees out each way of swivel on the unit. So you can keep the thing in the ground, follow it on a corner or anything like that there. Next up on it, we have 2 gate valves. This is an 8-inch system here. There's 2 gate valves here. They are separate. You have your discharge here that you can open up and close your manifold one. You can close your manifold as well if you want to pressurize your line. You can close that. It's on 2 separate lines, so you can close that however you need on that part of it. Next part of it, there's one hydraulic set coming off the manifold here to run the chopper system inside there. So it's just one line set up, and you can run that there manifold whichever way you want. There's 2 choppers in there, and that runs whatever way you want to run it. And hydraulic speed wise, about half. You don't need to run wide open on that there. As far as maintenance side of it, there's about 6 different grease certs on this here machine. We have 2 of them back here on the swivel back here, and then they're about once or twice per season is what they need to be on that there greased. And then we'll come around to the other side and look at a couple. And then on this here side of it, there is 2 grease certs on that swivel there, and then there's a ball swivel up on the top side there that has grease certs as well. And then the wings have a grease cert on yet. And then twice per season, just to keep that thing lubricated good, is what that needs, and to reduce your wear on that there part of it. Your wing cylinders here, they have a ball valve on the inside on both of them here. That is, you can lock your cylinders down if you want. That's up to you. That they're there to, if you want to keep your wing from drifting up at all, you can shut that valve and will help you on that there part of it. Your swing pipe stops up here. Them there do have a pressure relief valve. Them are not used to push your swing pipe in at all or anything like that. They're strictly just to hold the swing pipe in place for road transport. You put them out when you get in the field, put them completely out. And there is a chain also that we put on it there. If you want to keep the thing, that there swing pipe can push the hydraulics around a bit. So for road transport, you will want to put that there chain on that there. That kind of covers the main parts of it. The biggest thing is making sure your machine is level, your units are running level. Anytime that the back of your unit picks off at all, instantly your manure is not going in at the depth that you want to be running. So make sure you got the unit running level. Units putting your manure in at that 6-7 inches in the ground, and it'll do an awesome job. If you have any questions at all on this here machine at all and setting it up, just give us a call at 660-945-3130. Thanks a bunch.